basis of bulk and weight. Bulk and weight of raw materials and finished goods. Okay, on the basis of bulk and weight of raw materials and finished goods. Clear? So these are the different classification of industries on the basis of raw materials used, on the basis of their main role, on the basis of capital investment, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of bulk and weight of raw materials and finished goods. We can go with one by one. First, write on the basis of raw materials used. As we know that on the basis of raw materials used, we can classify the industries into two. Okay, agro-based, mineral-based. Agro-based and mineral-based. Okay, agro-based and mineral-based. What is agro-based and mineral-based? Agro-based industries are those industries which can be used the agricultural raw materials or agricultural things as the raw material. Okay, agro-based. You can write any of the examples related to agriculture. So the industries should be based upon the agriculture, cotton industry, sugar industry. Okay, cotton, sugar, and whatever the things related with jute industry. Okay, so whatever it is based upon the raw materials used from agriculture is known as agro-based industry. And mineral-based industries means mineral-based industries, yeah, based upon the mineral products. For example, here you can write the example iron and steel. Iron and steel industries, aluminium industries. Okay. So, cement industries, minerals and metals as raw materials is known as mineral-based. Very good. We get the first classification. Basis of raw materials used, we can classify the industries into two, agro-based and mineral-based. Agro-based industries are those industries which can be used as products from the agriculture, and mineral-based are those industries the materials or raw materials should be taken from the minerals. Okay, write the second one. On the basis of their main role. On the basis of main role. Write the second one. I'm going to rub out the point. On the basis of main role. So we can classify on the basis of main role, we can classify the industries into two. Basic or key industries. Second one, consumer industries. Okay, basic or key industries, and second one is consumer industries. So on the basis of their main role, we can classify the industries into two, basic or key industries and consumer industries. Okay, what is basic or key industries? Key industries or basic industries means the industries or which is their products or raw materials to manufacture other goods. So this is a basic raw material which is leading to produce another good is known as Yeah, supply their products means this is a basic raw material for expanding another industries or the production of other goodies known as basic or key industries. They provide products for their industries. Okay, very good. For example, iron and steel industries, because iron and steel, iron industries are the basic industry because it should provide iron to other industries to produce more number of goods. That is called the key industries. The basic one or the key industries are those industries which provide the raw materials to other industries for producing another product. And what do you understand about consumer industries? Consumer industries are those industries, yeah, very good. Those industries which provide goods for the direct use of the consumers. Clear? So those industries which provide the products for direct use. For example, sugar. Okay, sugar. Paper industry, because paper is directly using for our purpose. Yes, very good. Home appliances. So whatever it is which are used by us for our daily life, this is known as what? Consumer industries. Clear, children? So write the meaning of basic or key industries, which is their products or raw materials, products or raw materials to manufacture other goods. And consumer industries are those industries that produce goods for direct use. Okay, to manufacture other products, underline this word, and here for direct use. So these are the two types. So further we have three more classification. So we don't have the enough time to learn the remaining three industries. Okay, so the remaining three industries can be learned in the next class. We are having 3 more minutes. Okay, children, hope it is clear for all. Do you understand? Yes. Do you understand the concepts? Very simple thing. You can learn the points only. Try to answer in point by point. Contribution of industries to national economy should be explained once more, no problem. So listen, Parvati, listen to here. Contribution of industries to national economy. Contribution of industries to national economy means what is the contribution to GDP? Okay, that is what is the total production from manufacturing sector, that is showing GDP. So the total contribution made by the industrial sector was 17%. So you can write total contribution here. And out of this, 10% is coming from mining, quarry, electricity and gas. So what is the meaning? Yeah, of course, I mean, it's a 5-mark question. 5 points will be there. So the remaining 7%, which means that the 7% is only coming from the industries. That means the industrial setup was very lower or very limited in our economy, the 7%. Clear? And when we compare with other economies, it is very lower. The 17% is very lower because other East Asian economies are providing 25 to 30% to GDP. Other economies. Clear? Clear, children? Okay. Next. The trend of growth rate. The trend of growth rate was trend of growth rate was 7%. That is, in total, the employment opportunities or the industrial contribution to GDP or to national income was very lower, which means that the trend of growth rate, the industries are moving very slowly. The development of industries are moving very slowly. That is 7%. Okay, children. And for improving the productivity, government has been set up one of the councils, that is NRCs. These are the main points of contribution of industrial sector to national economy. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? You have to write out these points. So, hope it is clear for all. Shall we wind up? Yes. Thank you. Thank you all.